Hi everyone, my name is Leena. I'm an astrologer and a blogger, and I am into occult science for more than 10 years now. Today I will be discussing on difference between KP and Vedic astrology. And then I will explain how through KP you can easily analyze birth chart of twins and then give guidance of any kind. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so what is KP astrology and how it is different from Vedic astrology? See, KP astrology is derived out of Vedic only. Rather, KP is the predictive tool. Vedic astrology is the oldest form of Indian astrology that depends on the movement of 9 planets in a person's life. So, this branch of astrology can't be learned within a day, and this is a complex form of science, and you need to have intuitive skills to become a good Vedic astrologer. In Vedic astrology, if you have to analyze a birth chart, a horoscope is made considering date, time, and year. Here we see Lagna and its position, then as per query, the status of planets through position, aspect, conjunction. These tell about the event. And then to check strength, we see divisional charts like Navamsha for marriage, Dashamsha for career, and then Shadbala, Ashtagvarga, transit. So, little tricky and long process. Now, what is KP astrology? See, Krishnamurti ji is the founder of this system. It is a new version this is less complicated and easily understood by any person who wants to learn astrology. Here also birth chart is made as per date, time and place, but there's some difference. Firstly, KP Ayamsha is used here, whereas in Vedic, Lahiri Ayamsha is used. And there is a difference of 6 minutes. So the level of accuracy is higher in case of KP astrology. Now then KP, it follows Placidus system, which says that Earth is not spherical, it is ecliptic. If you have to make equal portion of a round circle, then 12 houses will be divided into equal parts of 30 degrees. So in Vedic, whole sign house is taken. And KP system says that if oval shape is divided into 12 equal portions, all 12 houses cannot be same. And this is the reason some signs are repeated in the chart and some are missing. And due to this, Bhav Chalit chart is formed in KP astrology. Even in Vedic astrology, the distribution of cusp is done by using the Shripati Padati. So that is different. Okay. Now let's understand how KP astrology works and how it is the most accurate predictive tool, and it is easy to learn in short time. See, Vedic astrology is a vast ocean. It needs deeper analysis. For me, astrology is my passion. So going deep into the ocean of knowledge and then getting some treasure is happiness for me. Okay, so how KP works? While analyzing a horoscope, you have to understand that in a horoscope, each sign is of 30 degrees. Star is of 13 degree 20 minutes. And each star has 4 padas or charan, each of 3 degree 20 minutes. Okay? So 4 charan or padas, each pada will be of 3 degree 20 minutes. That comes to 13 degree 20 minutes. So one star is of 13 degree 20 minutes. Like here you can see Aries sign that is of 30 degrees. It will start from 0 degrees, 0 to 30. So in this sign of 30 degree, first star is of Ashwini, 13 degree 20 minutes. Lord is Ketu. Then second star, it is of Bharani, starts from 13 degree 20 minutes to 26 degree 40 minutes. Lord is Venus. and then one pada of Kritika, which starts from 26 degree 40 minutes to 10 degree. And only one pada will be included here. Kritika, only one pada will be included, and the remaining 3 pada of Kritika will be in Taurus sign. See, one pada of Kritika will be included in Aries sign, and the remaining 3 padas of Kritika will be in Taurus sign. Okay, it begins from Aries, and since one star is of 13 degree 20 minutes, so it ends at 10 degree in Taurus sign. And Sun is a star lord here. So check the degree of the planet, see the star, and then the lord. That is star lord. Okay. Now, most important, what is sublord and how it is formed? See, Krishnamurti ji, he said that planet is the source. Star lord gives the main results, and sublord gives the final outcome. So subdivision of star is most important because that will tell the main result, success or loss. Like if there is a query that will I get my payment today? So first of all, you will make a lagna. And as you know that ascendant stays in one sign for 2 hours. And ascendant in star showed, I'll get payment. But this nakshatra will be for 50 minutes, 50 to 58 minutes. So to indicate exact moment, the star further needs subdivision. Because events may happen within an interval of 10-15 minutes. So we need a minute factor. So the subdivision of star, that is sublord. Like in horoscope, a person is born in Ashwini star. So he gets Ketu Dasha of 7 years, like here. If a person is born in Ashwini star, he will get Ketu Dasha of 7 years. Now the moon degree decides the balance Dasha. And this decides the first Dasha Lord, and as per degree, Mahadasha and Antardasha will be decided. Moon degree will fix the star lord and sublord. Like here, if moon is at 10 degrees, Aries sign, so he gets Ketu Mahadasha and Saturn Antardasha. Moon sign in Aries, so star lord is Ketu, sublord is Saturn. And if you change degrees, like if I go back to 6 degrees, then again Ketu Mahadasha, Ketu star lord, and sublord will be Rahu in this case. So according to KP, each nakshatra is subdivided into 9 parts. Like here you see Ketu nakshatra starting from 0 degree till 13 degree 20 minutes. And Ketu star will be there. But sublord will keep on changing at an interval of 1 minute to 6 minutes. This is the interval. Okay. See, the sub is the 9 divisions of each constellation, and this will be as per the total number of years in Vimshotri Dasha. Like if Ketu Dasha period is of 7 years, then sublord will change as per that. Because each star is divided into 9 parts. This is sublord. And sublord tells about the final result, and this is the main catch in KP astrology. Like here, star is Ashwini, Ketu nakshatra. So first sub will be of Ketu only. Then comes Venus, Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury. Okay. Then Bharani nakshatra will start. And first star will be Venus. Bharani nakshatra, star lord is Venus. Sublord will be, first sublord will be of Venus only. So this way, 27 nakshatras are divided into 9 parts. Now, most importantly, my purpose is not to say that KP system is best and other one is useless. No. Even I started with Vedic astrology. But I've seen generally people are stuck in horoscope analysis. Unless one has been practicing more than a decade or one has amazing intuitive skills. Okay? In Vedic, if you have to judge a horoscope, you will see Lagna Lord, And then see it's favorable or unfavorable. You will check the strength by the house it occupies, by its lordship, by its nature, by the planets conjunct, aspecting, and then exaltation, debilitation, own sign or Vargotam, friend enemy concept. And then you have to confirm all these things in divisional charts. But as per KP system, a sign is divided into three parts: planets, stars, sublord. Planets show the source, starlord gives the main result, and the broad prediction indicated by star is defined by sublord. Okay? Now, if you have to analyze a horoscope for twins, then through Vedic it becomes little complex, but with KP it is quite simple. So let me explain the concept through twin case study. So twins are born at an interval of few minutes. At times they have same lagna, same sign at different degrees. There's a difference of only 12 minutes. And in this 12 minute, the sublord changed. And through this, one can easily say about basic nature, career and other events. So I will show both charts. So first one, first house script. See, this is Pisces, Mercury, Jupiter. So Jupiter is in moon star. Okay. And so self linked with fifth house. So that is creativity, past life good deeds, intelligence. And then sixth house, good in service, competitive. So let's move to 10th house script. This is Sagittarius, Venus, Rahu. Now Rahu in Mercury star. If you see Rahu, it is in Mercury star. So 4th house, education and building structures. 10th house, so self wants name, fame, recognition, and status oriented, makes you authoritative and at times dominating also. Now let's see the another chart. See the difference. This difference of only 12 minutes. First birth time was 11:45. Now it is 11:57. So this includes Aries, Ketu, Venus. Okay, so within 12 minutes the lagna also changed. So here Venus is in Rahu star. So this person will have anxiety and restlessness. And Rahu is posited in 8th house in Bhavtali chart. So more of a research mindset, very analytic approach, and inclined to learn more. Plus Ketu in the first script makes a person very serious, and these kind of people, they have past life skills. They have in-depth understanding of the subject. Okay, so Ketu is a star lord over here. So first house script, if linked with first house only, then it states about a strong aura, energizes other people or inspires them. Such people, they get good reputation and recognition, and they have good decision making skills. Then third house, this is presentation and marketing, and then 8th house is involved. So at times it can make one control freak, can lose temper, get into arguments. Then 9th house is ethical approach. So let's move to 10th script. So here it is. Again it is Sagittarius, Venus, Saturn. So again Saturn script we'll see. 1, 3, 8, 9. So again 9th house is involved. So ethical approach, lot of principles and ideologies. 9th house represents Guru, so knowledge attained from teachers, mentors, and self is always connected with Guru's teachings. So on associating with teachers and higher learnings, his luck will also flourish. So both these boys looked identical. Both are software engineers, but attitude and career path is completely different. Because one is a Ketu personality and the other one is Moon. So he's cheerful, lively, but intelligent also. And career also, one he's an MNC and the other one, this one, the Ketu influenced person, he's a scientist today. So if you see, twin charts can be easily analyzed through KP astrology. So this way I've shared my understanding on difference between Vedic and KP astrology and also how twin charts can be analyzed in few minutes. So if you're new to my channel, you can download my free mini guide on KP astrology and you can read my blogs on my website, see other videos on KP and then try to practice on charts because practice is the main key. And if you want to do it professionally, then you can buy my course on KP astrology. It is a 15-module course with pre-recorded videos and link is in the description box. And keep learning astrology because it is so deep and when you dive deep, then comes the clarity. Till then, learn with full passion. Have a beautiful life.